Good morning from AMT Specialist Cars. What a treat we have for you today. This 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. The specification on this car is unbelievable. I probably struggle to tell you what it doesn't have than what it does. You can see there it's got the sliding glass panoramic sunroof, keyless entry, keyless go, 2-stage memory seats, and only covered 20,988 miles. It's just telling me there that the panoramic sunroof is open, and what a glorious day it is to have it open. Look at that. We've got heated steering wheel, heated seats, ventilated seats, satellite navigation, rear air con, 360 camera, full leather interior. The list goes on. It's also got heads-up display. What an amount of car this is. Give any member of the sales team a call. You certainly wouldn't be disappointed with this. Fine example. It's had a Hyundai service. What a motor vehicle. Thanks ever so much for listening, watching. Please like and subscribe. We look forward to speaking to you soon.